Introducing the Mercedes-Benz Complimentary Pickup and Delivery Service by RBM of Atlanta, designed to save you time and money when you get your Mercedes-Benz serviced. We will pick up your Mercedes-Benz from your home or office for free and bring it back to RBM for service. Available to any Mercedes-Benz owner within a 30-mile radius of the dealership. Visit rbmofatlanta.com to schedule your vehicle for pickup or call us at 770-390-0600. Once your appointment has been made, one of our drivers will receive the pickup request and you will be notified when our driver is on the way. We use state-of-the-art software to schedule our drivers and determine the best routes. We optimize routes based on time of day, traffic patterns, and more. Our technology notifies you immediately when our driver is on their way with an estimated time of arrival. You can track their progress through a live map. Visit www.rbmofatlanta.com or call 770-390-0600 and schedule your appointment today.